Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. They say I was broken. How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end.
Epic 4x4 Quest's mission is to be able to support law enforcement members and their families while raising awareness to issues that they face on a daily basis. They have to see, hear, and live things that most should never have to do so. And while we are thankful and grateful for that, it also causes them some severe issues. Things from PTSD, depression, anxiety, and on the not as bad, but still not great end of the spectrum, burnout from stress. Us being out here on this law enforcement member officer run and ride along is giving us a chance to give them a way to disconnect, be in nature, relax, and energize. Nature has been proven to be so beneficial to our mental and physical health, and it's important that we all get out into nature. So the main reason and the most important reason for why we're here and doing what we're doing is to give back to those that give so much to us on a daily basis.
Blockers, just so you know. Come back this way, you're running out of road. Nice work, Sean.
Thank you.
Except now she's gonna have a taste of 37s.
I know. Maybe that's slightly on purpose.
We won't tell her that though.
Right. Mr. Baby. You like jumping them.
She does like to jump them. She drinks Red Bull before she hits these trails, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna have to get her a Red Bull sponsor.
I'm about to clear in far away. It does need 40s now. Those look fun. There you go, roll through. There you go. You're good. Right there. Come right up there. Now turn back passenger. That'll work right there. Straight on.
Back. It's different driving somebody else's street.
It's different.
Nice work, Dave. Do you like Dave or David better?
Dave's fine.
Okay.
David if I'm in trouble.
Got it. Well, that's how that normally is. You won't get me. You're good. Run, Forrest, run!
Just a hair pass right there. Let's try it right there. May have to lean back a little bit, I think.
Nice work, Jeremiah.
Here comes our amazing sponsor, Kathy with J-8 Custom Fabrication. Her supporting this event and Epic 4x4 Quest is allowing us to not only take out these officers on this run, but also being able to provide them dinner at Tommy Knocker's afterwards. Thank you, J-8 Custom Fabrications, for supporting our mission to support our law enforcement member.
Perfect. Driver's tire right here. Just like you got it. Perfect.
Nice, Kathy.
No. Don't want to hit you.
You won't hit me. You're good.
Straight on, just like that. Yep, just like you got it. Perfect line.
Nice work, Bill.
I'm hitting you right.
You're good.
I forgot the spot. Yeah, you did something.
See? Now you can wave to me.
You're keeping
yourself mostly off that obstacle. There's a little flex for you. A little flex for the morning. Nice. Now I gotta play on the rocks today?
I forgot.
You forgot? And then start turning driver a little bit. There you go. And climb up and over that rock.
You back?
Yeah, he's got it. He's climbing. Just keep climbing, and then you're going to turn back to your passenger a little bit. It's that wheelbase.
Yeah.
The extra couple inches. Okay, go ahead and stay passenger.
So you get up, come to me a little. There you go.
Nice.
You got it, I forgot.
A little flex in the morning is always good. Come drive her a little.
There you go.
Hold on.
Let it hang a little more.
There you go. Nice and slow. Back passenger.
Little momentum in there. Up.
Stay to your driver because otherwise you're going to catch your diff. There you go. Perfect.
There we go.
Nice. How was the airtime?
He was good.
You like your airtime over there? Nice. Good job, Kathy.
Thank you.
Right there. Now go. There. Perfect. Whoa. Little less skinny pedal there. Crawl it. There you go.
I'm gonna go up again. Deep.
Nice. Nice flex there, David. Tell them about it, Carolyn. It's all right. Stay driver. There you go. There you go. Maybe one more time. There it is.
He's like, are we going to be pulled over soon? My lunch is cooking.
He said he's living in Gunnison and they go up on our Everybody have fun so far? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, so what's been the best and what's been the worst? I know what your worst has been. You really love the off-camper and the rocks, right? Yeah, no. Anybody?
Water crossing?
Water crossing? Water crossing's pretty fun. Yeah.
We are so lucky to have multiple different law enforcement members in positions with us represented on this law enforcement officer run and ride along. We have Officer Bill with Aurora. We have Officer Jamie with Blackhawk. We have Sheriff Sean with Otero County. We have Tony with the State Patrol Dispatch. We have Brian with security at the jail and courthouses. And we have David with investigations at Lakewood.
Oh, yeah.
Or holes that got dug.
Oh, yeah.
Back in and then hole in the middle.
We're going to need that cut and I'm going to need you to pick up the clippings.
Here's some scissors.
Go mop the driveway.
Not like the decent, like the little baby scissors.
Yes.
When my dad did something at the Naval Academy, they had to clean the...
You better find the gold, the lost in all the noise, chasing fake dreams that I met you. I wanted to find a place in the sun. Now I'm gonna let it shine on me. With you on my mind, I lay down my guns. I'm just gonna let it shine on me. It's true, yes, we keep making the same old mistakes over